Okay, in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save your personal information. So if you click here, you notice that your personal information is already populated. And this came from when you registered your account. That information was saved already. So what you want to do is just make sure this information is accurate and complete, because this information will automatically be populated into your dispute letters and save you a lot of time. Next thing you want to do is you want to click the CF button here, the Creditfixrr button, and go to Edit Profile, because these are some extra settings here. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go in here and securely input your social security number. All right, and the next thing you want to do, you can add your phone number and your birth date if you want. And most of the letters it's not required, but the next most important thing you want to do is you want to upload your social security identification, and this is considered a form of proper identification in most dispute processes. So you want to upload your social. Do that. And the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and upload your driver's license as well. So go here, upload, and then go ahead and go back to dashboard, and that's it. There will never be another need for you to input or change your personal information when creating dispute letters.